Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Online Tutorials, the online education channel. In this video we are going to explain why is it important to have a good customer service management. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel. First of all, we are going to introduce what is customer service. So the customer service is anything we may do or we are going to do for our customers. This may improve their experiences with us. The main goal for any company is the satisfaction of the customers, especially nowadays because the customers are becoming more and more sophisticated. One of the most important things is to understand satisfaction. So customer satisfaction is the overall feeling of contentment, of happiness, of delightness, of satisfaction with the customer interaction. The customer satisfaction may recognize the difference between the customer expectation and the customer perception. All of us, we know that it may start with a want and need, and the customer may have an expectation. Once they will perceive or they will reach their perceptions, here in this phase, the customer will start checking whether the perception is exceeding the expectation or not. And once the perception is exceeding the expectation, then we will have a full level of satisfaction. The satisfaction may develop quickly or over a period of time. Our job is to always reduce the customer's level of stress. Let's see some examples of a good customer service. First of all, the appreciation is very important. We should show the customers that we are appreciating all their efforts, that we are appreciating that they are working with us, we are appreciating that they are buying from us. So we should show them a high level of appreciation and respect. When we call the customers by name, we will show them that they are important to us. When we have an easy return policy, all the customers may appreciate to have a return policy. For example, suppose I'm going to rent a car, so updating the map of the area or global positioning system is very important for the customers. While visiting a doctor and finishing, you will come back home. So for the doctor to call you back to see how you're feeling, it's a professional thing. It's a good follow-up, an excellent follow-up. On-time delivery is also very important. All the customers, they like to receive their products on time. Showing the customers that you care about. Empathy in handling complaints and questions. You should take everything in the right way. You should respect all the complaints. You should know how to work with the complaints, how to turn all the negative comments and how to take them positively in order to turn them into positive comments, in order to always improve in the future. The customers also appreciate the well-explained instructions. When they need to go to buy something, they would like to know and they would like to have a deep level of information about what they are buying. Also, sometimes you may encourage them. They will be like thinking, I will buy this or not, so they need someone to encourage them. And always they need the support of the employees. Sometimes suggesting a less expensive option will be like a very good thing for the customers to make the choice. He thinks that you care about him. You are on his side. And finally, the package carry out, which is also very important for the customer. Why excellent customer service is so rare? Because it requires a lot of money spending. So you should spend a lot of money You should always follow up. You should take actions, and you should also be able to take action. That is the most important thing. It also requires developing the skills. So you have a lot of employees. You should try to develop their skills in order to know how to treat the customers, how to talk to the customers, how to follow up with them. Organization must assess their current levels of customer service. So for every organization, for every company, they should assess where they are. What kind of gaps do they have? What they are going to do in order to improve the gaps and in order to look for the future? Because improvements is becoming a necessity. Policies may need to be updated. We are always turning into new policies. The life is going very fast, time is going very fast, and we cannot rely on old and obsolete policies. We should always try to renew our policies. The employees must be empowered in order to make decisions. What do we mean by empowerment? It's the right that we can give to the employees in order to make decision. And here in this stage, working as a customer service representative or whatever, or manager, so the employee sometimes he may need to be empowered. He may need to make a fast decision in order to save every moment, every minute, in order to take care of the customer, in order to convince the customer not to leave the store and being like mad or pissed off. Taking a fast decision will be the solution in order to protect our client, in order to satisfy them, in order to show them that they are very important to us and they mean to us. Technology can facilitate our ability to provide excellent customer service, also being up to date with the level of technology, because as we know, like, the level of technology is growing up very fast, and we should always be up to date with what do we have new technologies nowadays. Adding to that, here we can say, for example, like providing online customer service on our website is very good and it's very helpful for our customers. Organization must measure customer satisfaction in order to know how they are doing. By measuring customer satisfaction, you can easily know who's happy and who's unhappy. So you will try to always satisfy your customers, specifically the happiest one, and you will try to retain them. And for the people who are unhappy, you will try to give them special offers. In order, you may try to care more about them. You may try to follow up with them in order to know what's making them dissatisfied, in order for you to solve the issue and to turn them into delighted customers. The 5 customer needs are the following. So here we can talk about, like, first of all, the service. As we know, the customers expect the service that they think is appropriate for the level of purchase they are meeting. Second, the price. The price is becoming an important indicator for every customer. Everything we are going to purchase, we care, and the customers care about the price. The people and the businesses want to use their financial resources as efficiently as possible. The quality. Also, when you're going to spend money to buy something, the quality is very essential for you. So that's why you should try to buy something which is going to be durable and of a high quality. The action. Customers need action when a problem or question arises. So they can do this by offering, like, like continuous follow-up, or by offering like toll-free customers assistance telephone. So you can call them via telephone, and they will be always assisting you and responding to you as fast as possible. The appreciation, finally, customers need to know that we appreciate their business. So the customer service providers can convey this appreciation in many appropriate ways, like, for example, saying thank you. There is two types of customers, the external one and the internal one. The external one are all the customers that we do business, or with whom we do business outside the organizations. So they are external people from outside the organization, whereas internal customers are people from within the organization, or people with whom we work throughout our organizations. They are very important to us, and we should always satisfy them. They are the weapon and the assets of our organization. By satisfying them, this may lead to create an excellent foundation. This may create an excellent working environment. In their turn, they will be very motivated, and they will be satisfying and serving the customers in a professional manner. What about the customer attributes? They are customer characteristics, allowing them to be categorized based on demography, based on psychography, or firmography information. The demographic information we will mean like the age, income, marital status, education, whether you own or rent the home, sex, occupation, etc. The psychographic information focuses on the lifestyle, the mode of living, the needs, attitudes, reference groups. And finally, the firmographics information includes characteristics about the company. How many employees do we have? The kind of business they are in, whether they are retailers, wholesalers, manufacturers, service providers, and the hours of operation. Finally, the cost of losing customers. We know in every company, one dissatisfied customer may tell 10 and 20 other customers. In their turn, they can tell also many other customers, like 50 to 100. So that is totally bad. That's why we should always follow up with the customers in order to always satisfy them, give them like full level of delightness. So because when we lose customers, it's becoming very bad to the company. We will be able to lose the current dollars that our business relationship created. We will be able to lose the jobs that our client provides. And then this may affect negatively, and this may hurt the image and reputation of our company. And finally, we will be able to lose the future business. Thank you for watching my channel.